So we were looking to rebrand because when we bought the practice 27 years ago, we were 99% NHS, and all our paperwork and literature was all very NHS blue. We wanted to demonstrate that we were moving away from the NHS and that we were going to be providing care privately. The rebrand process with the practice plan marketing team was great. They guided us through it and they held our hand. They helped to tease out some ideas of what we wanted through supplying us with a form that we could look at what our demographic was, what style we were looking for, colours, and what our overall vision for the practice was. The communication through the process was, again, it was great, and very patient when I wasn't replying quite as quickly as I might have done. Penny was very responsive, and the whole process was quite quick. Timeframes were as agreed, and everything was brought back to us when we expected it. When we wanted items changing or slightly tweaking, that was really smooth as well. We were able to provide feedback on what bits we liked, which bits we didn't like, and overall it was just a great process. There were 2 stages to the rebrand process. Firstly, we shared it with the team so that they could see what we were going to be using going forward. They had some input on the development of the rebrand anyway. The roll-up that went out to patients was that it was gradual. Certain bits of the literature we weren't ready to actually develop because we didn't even have a website yet. Patients' perception following the rebrand, I think patients can see a more cohesive, joined up flow through the practice. We've taken the same colours through our uniforms, through our signage, and through our stationery.